If your PayPal card is declined, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Here's how to troubleshoot. Check your account balance. Ensure your PayPal account or linked bank account has enough funds to cover the transaction. Insufficient funds are a common reason for declined payments. Verify card information. Double check that the card details are entered correctly. Even a small mistake can cause the payment to be declined. Check for fraud alerts. PayPal may decline a card for security reasons if unusual activity is detected. Log into your PayPal account and check for any fraud alerts or verification requests. Follow the prompts to resolve any security concerns. Ensure card is active. Contact your bank or card issuer to confirm your card is active and not blocked or restricted for any reason. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes, browser issues can interfere with payment processing. Try clearing your cache or using a different browser. Contact PayPal support. If the issue persists, reach out to PayPal customer service. They can provide specific details about why the card was declined and help resolve the issue.